your latter will be greater. Stay on those knees. It's the highest place we could ever find ourselves in God's presence.
Hey there, it's Yolz Channel.
Hello my loves, I hope you're well. This is just a quick check-in to let you know that I'm still well and alive. I keep popping in and out of YouTube, and like I said, I don't know what it is, but I think it's the first half of this year. And yeah, I've decided to just take on things that feel right and things that just keep my heart beating. One of those things is doing Fezzi's room at the moment. We're almost done. Literally today is that sun. Today is just a day of me adding the last bit of his decals. We'll be able to put his bed up properly, so that's what I'm doing here, sort of playing around with where to put what. The last of his deco stuff. Let me stand by the sun, it's golden hour. The last of his deco stuff, and I just wanted to say hi, holler at y'all, check in if you're all good. My God, it's just been so amazing. I think this year by far definitely has been the toughest, but I've got a feeling that the second half of the year will be far better than our former. The latter will be greater. And if that's all I came here to say, that's literally it. The latter, your latter, will be far greater than your former. I'm back with doing my nails. Some of them, one broke over here. Oh, there's another one. It was it Freedom Day, 27th of April. I just had this craving of doing my nails again. And I said to my husband, it's been a year and a half since I did my nails. And I put it out on Instagram, trying to find a place in the south close by. It was literally 5 minutes away. Somebody suggested a place literally within the neighborhood. I went and I absolutely loved the service, and I'll be going back. Something else that we did do, I don't know if you guys know, we launched some oils on y'all's beauty sites, like a random update as well. Natural oil, so we've got jojoba oil, which is great for all skin types. That's what is glowing right now. We also launched argan oil, as well as, what's the other one? Sweet almond oil. And then we also have these new eye masks that we launched. No more bags, honey, no more bags, none. No more dehydrated under eyes, none whatsoever. But yeah, I've just been indulging and doing things that I crave for. So one of those things was to really give my son a place to play in. Our lounge has just been, it's not a playroom anymore. We're done with that, and this is the last bit. So the past 3 weeks we've been doing his room. His dad did his bed. I'll do a whole reveal, something at least that I did film. I filmed the whole process. It's gonna be amazing. And then this is just me trying to mock up, like right behind me, like everything is just floating. Whew. Everything is just floating behind me, but I just tried to see what I could do. His dad is probably going to walk in now to help me finalize the wall, and we'll do a whole video. But I just wanted to come on here and say, hey, what's up? I hope you're good, and that your latter will be greater. Stay on those knees. It's the highest place we could ever find ourselves in God's presence. Keep praying for me and with me, and I'll do the same. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to show you guys the final product of this room. His daddy just walked in. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.